Hello everybody, HumBlunt. So I've been asked by several people, how much is it for a hat? I've been making hats now, not very long, but I've made quite a few, and I've been asked, how much are they? What is the price? So I've done a little breakdown, and you may have heard me say my goal is to be able to get people a custom hat, a really nice hat, for a good price, not a standard custom hat maker price, which is a lot. So what I've done is I broke it down. I got a piece of paper I'm going to show you in a second, and I'll break down what is the price. What can you expect to pay for a hat by me? So I broke it down. What is it? Basically, the price of the hat is the price of the felt plus my labor and extra materials needed. I'm not trying to make a ton of money. I'm trying to make a name for myself. Maybe I'll charge more later when I have a name, but right now I don't. But I'm trying to get people a quality hat for a good price. So I broke it down. The place I order felts from, which is the place where everybody on the planet orders felts from, you can buy your first quality and your second quality felts. Now the difference between the two, a second quality felt might have a little bit of color imperfections, or be thicker here versus another part of the hat, so on and so forth. Still very, very nice hats, and to be honest, you really can't even hardly tell at all when I'm done with it. So that's the difference between the first quality and the second quality felt. The 100X, let's see where I'm looking. The 100X, that's 100% beaver, 50% beaver, 20% beaver, and the 5X, the dark colors are usually 5% beaver. The really light colors are usually 100% rabbit. There is one other one, I'm going to call it 150X, and that is beaver chinchilla blend. 85% beaver, 15% chinchilla. They are about the softest hat that you could ever friggin' feel. Amazing. One that I didn't put on here is a grizzly hat, which is long hair. They're actually pretty neat. They're rather kind of difficult to work with because they're not as stiff as a regular hat, but they look pretty neat. I put a little note there on the bottom. Note the Western weight are 230 grams. You can also order a dress weight hat, which is 160 grams, a little bit less money. And these felts will come in a wide variety of colors. You just have to hit me up if you want one, and we can discuss things and see what color you want and whether it's available from the place where I get them. Now I did a little breakdown of what the cost would look like. The felt plus the shipping equals a deposit. You make a deposit, I can order the felt, and we get it here. Then there's my labor, materials, and then the shipping to you. That's the total cost. I did an example here on the bottom for a 100X first quality felt hat. $240 it costs to get the felt. Say $30 to ship it, right? That's $270. $180 to work on it. That's me. Another $30 to ship it to you. It's $480. If you look online and you research it, you'll be hard pressed to find a 100X hat for less than $1,000. I got the El Presidente Stetson, $1,400. Resistol, $1,300 versus $480. Say $500. It's a hell of a deal. If you want one, hit me up. You can throw me a message on YouTube here, and I'll leave my info, my email address and whatnot in the bio. To my subscribers, thanks for subscribing. I've almost got to 500. I was last I looked, I was at 444, and once I hit 500, it opens up a whole another doorway on YouTube. I can actually start making money on YouTube, which would be pretty neat. Anyhow, thanks for listening. HumBlunt.